Hey Cameron and Sophia, I'm going to walk inside the house and just take a quick tour with you. Really super cute. I am going to walk in. You have a little hallway here, big coat closet. I'm not sure how good this is going to film, but here I'm going to open that for you. So you got a nice closet. Here's the kitchen. I'm going to just kind of scan around there. And then walking, we've got a dining area, cute table in here. I don't know if it comes with it. And again, you've got view and the entire back here of the creek. So I am scanning. That is the living room. There's no light in there, so it's kind of dark, but I'm gonna just walk on over here. Again, got beautiful views. They've done a nice job with redoing these windows. And here we go. Gonna walk down the hall. And you've got 2 bedrooms. It's toasty warm in here today. You've got a washer and dryer over here in this closet. A nice bathroom in here. And then we go there. And then the 2 bedrooms are here. Probably can't see too much. This one's got a nice window in it. Got a big closet, which you probably can't see. So you got that window. Hopefully you're not going to get dizzy from following my video. Again, you got another nice bedroom in here. It's real toasty warm in here too. Anyway, guys, it looks like a very nice house. So anyway, I'll talk to you soon. This is actually the hall that leads to the front door. And I'll take a quick video outside. Okay, bye.